Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Razi Adib bin Abdul Rashid. My metric number 060674. So, I will talk about tourism in Pahang. Pahang, the Malaysia Peninsula biggest state, was popular for its wide array of natural extremes, mysterious forests, beautiful islands, gorgeous beaches, and chilling highlands. Pahang is easily accessible from Kuala Lumpur. There's a freeway all the way to Kuantan, the state capital. Alternatively, fly to Kuantan or catch the train from Gemas to Kota Baru as a train passes through Pahang. The state also offers exciting theme parks, remote forest trails, and peacefully hill stations. Many travelers visit Malaysia specifically for its warm weather and year-round sunshine. While this is a bonus for most, the heat and humidity can take its toll over time, and it certainly adds to the appeal of Malaysia's cooler mountains. In the days before air conditioning, the only respite from the heat and humidity was to visit mountainous hill stations where the altitude moderated the climate. Malaysia's coolest resorts are found in mountainous locations like the Cameron Highlands, Fraser Hills, Bukit Tinggi, and Genting Highlands. Visitors to Fraser Hills and the Cameron Highlands could be forgiven for thinking they were in England, with their mock Tudor bungalows, temperate gardens, fireplace, and scones and cream served for morning and afternoon tea. Several heritage hotels are synonymous with the Highlands and have become as legendary as their location. These include the Old Smokehouse and the Lake House in the Cameron Highlands, and the Old Smokehouse at Fraser Hills. The hill station do in fact comprise half of Pahang's must-visit place and are always popular destinations, but there is much more to the peninsula's biggest state. Next, the best place for underwater exploration, you must visit the Tioman Island. This island is definitely a paradise for island lover. If you like crystal clear water and white sandy beach, you will never want to miss this island. If you are a scuba diving lover, you will appreciate the spectacular coral reefs. Even if you are a non-diver and do not like water sports, you will also get to enjoy the beautiful sunset that the island has to offer. Then, if you wish to get close to Malaysia, you can explore the history of Sungai Lembing, and interested to know more about tin mining, perhaps you can head to the museum where you will get the chance to learn how tin was mined and how the mining workers worked in the mines. About 25 km away from Kuantan, Charak Caves is served as a solitary meditation retreat for Buddhists, which is an interesting tourist destination. You are recommended to visit the caves to find out more about caves that house beautiful stone sculpture of the reclining Buddha. The next places, it was built to help elephant capture as well as relocation. The Kuala Gandah Elephant Sanctuary is about 19 minutes from the capital city, which is Kuantan. It provides tourists an exclusive opportunity to get familiar with these majestic mammals. About 3 hours from Kuala Lumpur, Jalan Besu is gaining attractiveness as challenging and exciting place for kayaking and whitewater rafting. Adventurous tourists who like water sports will definitely like this place. If you wish to spend an hour or two to enjoy cool and chilling water, perhaps Chamang Waterfall is a great place to relax. Pahang also homes to numerous gorgeous beaches that beach lover must fall in love with. Enjoy the beautiful sunset, relax in with white sandy beach, sunbath in the sunny afternoon are a few activities to name for your getaway at Lanjut, Cerateng, Lenasi, Cendo, Berserak, Balok, Teluk Cempedak, and many more. Last but not least, if you are looking for delicious local delicacies and shopping for traditional handicrafts such as batik, go now here. The capital city Kuantan has all of this to offer. After all, the state most located in the city is a popular tourist attraction that every tourist should pay a visit. Finally, there are a lot of attractive places in Pahang that you can visit. So, don't you forget to visit all these places for your holiday destination. That's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.